Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. So for this week's video I did a cleaning motivation one, but before we get into the video I want to share with you something that I've actually got it today. I am from Carrefour. Like 30 minutes ago I went to get myself a blender because the one that I have broke down a few months ago, and I think a blender is a necessity in the kitchen. So yeah, I didn't have one for some time, but I chose today to go get myself one. And yeah, the one that I got is this Philips one, and the one that actually broke down is Ramtons, and I didn't want to get Ramtons this time round, so that's the reason as to why I ended up with Philips. And the only item of Philips that I have around the house is the toaster. Let's unbox it. I hope you're able to see it. So guys, this is how the blender looks like. I just want to put it together so that we can be able to see how it looks like. This is the jar. This is its jar, and its capacity is 1000 mils. I think that is 1 liter. So I think this is just enough for me. It's the quantity is okay. So guys, this is the grinder. Yeah, and this is the grinder, and this is the blender. This is how it looks like. For the grinder, this is how it looks, and this is the jar. And that is that. So I want to let us get into the video. I just wanted to shoot this introduction, because it's getting late. I want to start preparing supper, but for now I want us to get into the video that I made for this week, which is a cleaning motivation one, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. And if you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah. Today I am not going to talk as the video progresses. It will mostly be music and relaxation, as enjoy the video. But I will be cleaning the bedroom, the living room, and also the kitchen. I need to change the bedding and also wipe some surfaces. These days there are lots of dust that dusting is kind of a must. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. By the way, we are on the road to 5k subscribers, and thank you so much for making that happen. In case you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I will highly appreciate it. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.